When you're shopping for a used car, the last thing you want is a surprise repair that empties your wallet. A bad transmission, an electrical issue, or an engine problem can turn a good deal into a nightmare. Today, we're looking at 6 cars that mechanics themselves choose when they want real peace of mind. These aren't the same old, obvious picks. This list includes a rock-solid hybrid, a compact minivan that refuses to die, 2 ultra-reliable SUVs, and sedans that owners trust for hundreds of thousands of miles, all based on real owner opinions, reliability data, and maintenance costs. If you want a car that saves you stress, money, and unexpected trips to the shop, this video is for you. First on the list is the Chevrolet Volt, especially from 2016 to 2019. Mechanics like this car because its hybrid system is extremely well built and surprisingly trouble-free. Many technicians say the Volt is one of GM's most reliable modern designs, and owners agree that it's a car that just works with very little effort. Maintenance costs stay low too. RepairPal estimates around $436 per year, which is cheaper than many regular gas sedans. Owners constantly praise the Volt for delivering excellent fuel savings, smooth driving, and reliability that holds up well past 150,000 miles. Of course, no used car is perfect. The most common complaint from owners is the small 12-volt battery, which can fail earlier than expected and trigger warning lights or minor electrical issues. But compared to transmission or engine problems you find in other used cars, this is a very small concern. If you want a car that cuts your fuel bill, avoids big repairs, and keeps your daily life stress-free, the Chevrolet Volt is one of the smartest and most underrated options on the market. Next on the list is the Mazda 5, especially from 2012 to 2015. Mechanics appreciate this compact minivan because it uses Mazda's reliable 2.5L engine, a simple and durable setup that rarely surprises its owners. It's one of those vehicles that delivers practicality without the high repair bills usually associated with larger minivans. Maintenance costs stay reasonable, averaging around $448 per year according to RepairPal. Owners love the Mazda 5 because it's easy to drive, easy to park, and offers a lot of space without feeling oversized. Many report that it stays dependable well past 150,000 miles with basic care. The main complaint from owners is the front stabilizer bar links, which can start making noise as the mileage climbs. It's an annoying sound, but the repair is inexpensive and doesn't affect the long-term reliability of the vehicle. If you want a practical family car that won't drain your wallet, the Mazda 5 is one of the most underrated options out there. Simple, durable, and perfect for anyone who values low-maintenance peace of mind. Next up is the Scion XB from 2008 to 2015. Mechanics appreciate this model because it uses Toyota's proven 2.4L engine, a simple and durable powertrain that has earned a reputation for going well beyond 200,000 miles. It's a quirky, boxy car, but under the hood it's classic Toyota reliability. Maintenance costs stay affordable, averaging around $462 per year. Owners praise the XB for being incredibly practical, with a tall roofline, great visibility, and a cabin that feels bigger than the car looks on the outside. Many say it's the kind of vehicle you buy once and keep for years without regret. The most common complaints involve door seals and interior rattles, especially as the car ages. These issues don't affect safety or mechanical reliability, but they do remind you that the XB was designed to be simple and budget-friendly. If you want a unique-looking car that's easy to maintain, cheap to own, and backed by Toyota's reputation for durability, the Scion XB is a fun, dependable, and underrated choice. Next on the list is the Toyota RAV4, especially models from 2013 to 2018. Mechanics appreciate this generation because it uses Toyota's proven 2.5L engine paired with a durable automatic transmission. It's a simple, reliable setup that has earned a long track record of reaching well over 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. According to RepairPal, the RAV4's yearly maintenance cost averages around $429, making it one of the most affordable compact SUVs to keep on the road. Owners often mention how consistent and predictable the RAV4 is. No surprises, no constant repairs, just a comfortable daily driver that does everything well. The main downside owners report is small suspension noises as the vehicle ages, especially over rough roads. While noticeable, these issues tend to be minor and inexpensive to fix, and they rarely affect long-term reliability. If you want a practical compact SUV that delivers low running costs, strong resale value, and years of dependable service, the Toyota RAV4 is a safe, solid, and stress-free choice. If you're enjoying the list so far, take a second to drop it like it helps this video reach more people who are trying to avoid headaches with used cars. And let me know in the comments, what car has given you the most peace of mind? Your stories help others make smarter choices. And of course, feel free to share this video with a friend or family member who's looking for a reliable used car. It could save them a lot of money and a lot of stress. Next on the list is the Lexus RX 350, especially from 2010 to 2015. Mechanics consistently praise this SUV because it uses the legendary 3.5 L2 GRFE V6 engine, a powertrain known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. It's one of the few luxury SUVs that behaves like a simple, durable Toyota underneath. Maintenance costs average around $550 per year, which is surprisingly low for a premium vehicle. Owners often describe the RX 350 as a luxury tank, quiet, comfortable, smooth, and almost boring in how reliable it is. For many, it feels like a vehicle that just won't quit. The most common complaints involve suspension bushings wearing out around or after 100K miles. It's a predictable age-related issue and one of the few things you typically need to address as the vehicle gets older. If you want a luxury SUV that delivers long-term reliability, low stress, and a premium driving experience without premium headaches, the Lexus RX 350 is one of the safest bets on the used market. Last on the list is the Honda Accord, especially from 2013 to 2017. Mechanics appreciate this generation because it uses Honda's proven 2.4L engine paired with an improved CVT that has earned a much better reliability record than earlier designs. It's a simple, efficient setup that has become known for reaching 200K to 300K miles with proper maintenance. Maintenance costs stay low, averaging around $400 per year, making the Accord one of the most affordable mid-size sedans to own long-term. Owners love how smooth, comfortable, and predictable it is, a car that handles daily driving without any drama and holds its value extremely well over the years. The most common issue reported by owners is a slight vibration at idle, especially in four-cylinder models. It's minor and doesn't affect the overall durability of the engine or transmission, but it's something many drivers notice. If you want a sedan that offers strong reliability, low running costs, and a long reputation for lasting far beyond expectations, the Honda Accord remains one of the most trustworthy used cars you can buy. And that's our list. 6 used cars that real mechanics trust when they want peace-of-mind cars with low maintenance costs, simple engineering, and owner reviews that actually back up their reputation. If one of these models caught your attention, tell me in the comments which one you'd choose and why. I love reading your stories. They help the whole community make smarter decisions. Don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who's shopping for a reliable used car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.